Hello everyone, this is Sam. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the FITCAMX Dash Cam, which is a 4K Ultra HD dash cam that has 4K Ultra HD resolution, offering crystal clear video quality, OEM factory style with seamless integration, wide angle lens, 170-degree view angle, approximately 3-minute installation, and check recorded videos directly through FitCamX app and Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's go ahead and cut it open. Click the link in the video and in the description for 8% off, and check the sample videos at the end of this video. Let's go ahead and check this out. So it has the two boxes and the user manual and a card that has some support information on it. So let's go ahead and open these two up. Accessories has some tools, probably to open up your interior. This is a card reader. Now let's go ahead and open up the dash cam box right here. Here we have a free phone holder for your car. So this is the device. Interesting looking dash cam. It's a little different from your average dash cam. This actually kind of goes into part where your rear view mirror is attached to, so this will kind of fit in nicely into that area. And this camera is specifically for the Audi A5. Let's go ahead and get it installed. So we'll use the pry tool to pry open this little plastic piece where your rear view is attached to, and once it's taken off of there are clips that attach these components together, so you'll hear like a click and they will come off pretty easily. Once those components are off, you're going to use a screwdriver to unclip the little connectors that are going to be found behind those compartments. You will then take the camera, slide it over into that groove there, and we'll then go ahead and connect the cables together. But first you have to make sure the cables are tucked inside that camera compartment. So once all the cables are tucked in nicely behind those plastic compartments, we're going to put both the compartments and clip them on. And when all the compartments are clicked in place, you will then turn the car on, and you'll be able to see the dash cam light come on, and that means that it is now in recording mode. And this is what the camera looks like from the outside. As you can see, it's hardly noticeable. It just fits in perfectly into where the previous factory component was. You will then download the FITCAMX app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. You will tap Add Camera. You're going to tap Next, and then you will find the car dash numbers or the LHD dash numbers SSID Wi-Fi. You will tap on that. You will connect to it. Put in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the password. You will tap Join, and you will go back to the FitCamX app, tap Add Camera, and you will then be able to see the video being recorded live on your phone and the SD card. You'll go into the camera settings, and here you can see the video resolution. You can select whatever you want. You can then go into the loop record options as well. You can set it to 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. It will record and then loop every 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Then you have the exposure compensation. You can change the brightness level on the video. You have the timestamp option where you can show the timestamp on the recorded videos. You have a driver collision sensing option. You can set to the sensitivity over there. You have the parking monitor that's on or off, and it will record videos once there's any kind of movement or shock to the car. This is the video quality of the dash cam, which is amazing. You can clearly see and read the number plates on the cars in front of you, and as you can see, it's very clear, very sharp quality, and you can see that it's very smooth and shock absorbent. There's no shaky movements on the recorded video. And here you can see the night sample video. It is absolutely clear and high quality and sharp, and you can clearly see the number plates once the car pulls up right behind this car in front of me. You can see that you can read the license plate very clearly. To get 8% off, click the link in the video, and you will be able to select the specific model for your car. And you can see that there's a bunch of models available for Toyotas, Volvos, Audis, Rams, Porsche, and you can click on View All to find your specific car. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe and share, and see you guys next time.